welcome to London. We are at the Park Plaza County Hotel here in the City of London. Come on in. So as you enter our room, we have a little living area. This room does sleep 4, so it's perfect for a family of 4. We're able to accommodate 5 in here since we have a baby under the age of 3 years old. So this living space over here has a couch that turns into a bed. It's also equipped with all of our Elemis amenities here. So body lotion, shampoo, shower gel, conditioner, soap, additional towels, a really nice big flat screen TV here right when you walk in. One thing that I love about European hotels is they always have little goodies for children if you're traveling with small kids. So they did gift us with a treasure hunt that if we complete it, they do offer a gift. They have this little goodie pack here for each of the kids, and then they also have goodie bags with glow sticks and lollipops and candy and just like cute little fun kid things. So that was a nice touch, and that's something that European hotels do that American hotels don't typically do. So nice job, Park Plaza. So that kind of sums up this little entry area here. You have a double bed to sleep 2. And then moving on into the living space over here, we have a nice little galley kitchenette with a mini microwave, a sink, some storage space, some espresso maker, and a pretty cold fridge. Also a tea kettle and equipped with some Twinings tea and some little biscuits. Tons and tons of storage space in here. So they have all kinds of utensils, plates, cups, everything like that. Hanging storage in here. Some additional shelves. And then going on into the bathroom. Bathroom is equipped with a tub and a shower. Everything is nicely updated. This hotel smells amazing. You can tell that they definitely take pride in their cleanliness, and it definitely shows. Everything is just sparkling and it smells so fresh and clean in here. It's really, really nice. So on our way into the bedroom area, we have a full-length mirror. We have another TV in here. And I'd say this is a queen size bed for 2 in here. And then we have some additional storage, a huge closet, another big mirror here. We have our safe down below. We have laundry. They have self-service laundry here as well as send out laundry. An ironing board, an iron, a hair dryer, another mirror in there, and an ample amount of hangers for us too. And then behind us is a little desk area. So if you wanted to use it as a makeup nook or if you want to use it as a writing desk. So one thing to note here in the hotel rooms in England, they have a different plug than a Euro plug. They have a specific plug to England, so definitely make sure you have that on your packing list. In this room specifically, we only have 2 USB chargers on each side of the bed. The other room does not have any USB chargers, so keep that in mind. No USB-C, only 4 USB chargers, but at least that should help you charge your devices. But really the best part of this room is take a look out this window. We have a perfect view of the London Eye and Big Ben. It's a cloudy day here in London, but we could not be happier to finally have made it here, stand here and check out this view. So if you guys are traveling to London and you're looking for a room, we definitely recommend Park Plaza County Hall. It's in a fantastic location, and like I said, it's clean and spacious. So please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and safe travels!